That frick over.
Ready, son? Let's go.
Oh my god.
Sonny is gonna win.
Fuck you.
I'm a dream killer. Sonny, now you're doing
He
it.
looks
Take-
funny with the funny.
Fuck you!
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Dude, you lie!
Hulk smash!
Fuck off me! Fuck you!
Hulk smash him.
Fuck.
Hulk smash him. I call you those
He knocked the shit out of
You
you.
didn't hit me. I
Are
tried.
you guys still gonna go or what?
What's up to this stupid nigga?
Hey, do it again. Do it again.
You will not dominate me, sir. Shit.
You guys need to stop spinning so I gotta walk around like this and shit.
No.
Yeah, huh?
Good.
Ah, cheese. Don't know you do nothing. Another one. Hardcore fight.
Did he hit you, Andrew?
Yeah.
I got you hard. As soon as he hit me and I hit him at the same time, we both fell. Well, I fell. You fell, nigga.
You failed.
Huh?
No, you said
No, I said I fell.
Oh.
It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can I versus somebody?
Go ahead.